This is Matea. And we are El Nortea. From this.
So yun nga guys, it's Saturday and choir practice. Pero nagawa muna kami ng materials bilang paghahanda sa VBS. Tulong-tulong nga po kami dyan at kasama rin po namin sila Sister Lalay, Sister Lisa, Mikea, Preacher Ian at Brother Noli. Dito naman guys ay nagagawa kami ng name tag. Gupit dito, gupit doon. Guhit dito, guhit doon. Yan ang labor with love. And then, nung Sunday after service, nagkaroon kami ng meeting kasi nga po, kami ni Flor at Preacher Ian ang magiging teachers ng BVS for Day 1, Day 2 at Day 3.
Kasama rin po dyan si Tita Kea. Ayan nga po yung church namin.
At dito na nga po sana matatapos ang friendship namin ni Erica. Joke lang, muntikan lang.
At ito po ang pa-activity namin for Day 2.
Right side, tapos yung card ay sa left side. Okay, paano po mananalo dito? Kapag kung sino yung Monday, pag-aari, sinabi ko, light, ay doon pumunta. Ibig sabihin, tanggal na siya. Tapos, patagal ng patagal, mahirap na pumunta. Now, kung sino yung mabagal, pag-aari, natira dito. Tapos, nandito ang lahat ng kasama, saka lang siya gagana. Out na yun ha, tanggal din yung mabagal ha. Tapos mamaya may twist pagka maganda masyado na kayo magagaling, okay? Start! 1, 2, 3, light! Oh! Kaya pa lang yan ha. Okay, game na tayo. Game. Galing na. Galing natin ha. Oh, walang magkakapitan-kapitan at baka ay mag-distraction tayo, okay? 1, 2, 3,
Excited!
okay.
Excited.
Okay, nakikinig ka, Jane? Nakikinig? Opo. Nakikinig. Sige. 1, 2, 3, light! Jump!
Out na!
Mamaya, bibigyan na natin ng food. So,
I've got the love of Jesus down in my heart. Down in my heart, down in my heart. I've got the love of Jesus down in my heart. Down in my heart to stay. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy, so very happy. I've got the love of Jesus in my heart. And I'm so happy.
So
Hello
guys,
guys! Tapos na ang aming Day 1 ng BVS.
Yes. Wala si Ate Flor kasi may work siya.
And to the work.
To the work siya.
At
So, dito kami, San Guillermo. Naglalakbay.
Naglalakbay para mag-garden kami.
second day, that was on the second day. It was good, it was good. Kailangan bisa. God created land and plants.
Yes.
Land and plants. That was on the third day, that was on the third day. It was good, it was good. Sige. God created sun, moon, stars, sun, moon, stars. That was on the fourth day, that was on the fourth day. It was good, it was good. God created birds and fish, birds and fish. That was on the fifth day, that was on the fifth day. It was good, it was good. Last na. God created animals, people too. That was on the sixth day, that was on the sixth day. Very good, very good. Ayan.
Hello guys! So ayun, katatapos lamang ng graduation ng BBS ngayong araw. At masaya kami dahil natapos na ito from day 1, day 2, and day 3. At ngayon nga ang graduation. So nagkaroon ng awarding, ang mga bata in-awardan at nagkaroon din sila ng gantimpala ng pagpapala na tanggap na nila yung kanilang mga prize.
Yes!
So ano masasabi niyo kayong dalawa?
Ano? Experience mo nung ngayong graduation?
Ano? Masaya. Kasi natapos na siya.
Nakapahinga na.
Oo.
Finally, after 4 days, ilang araw din yung pinaghandaan, maraming ginawa. Siyempre, napagod, pero nandyan pa rin yung joy in serving Jesus.
Yes! Ayan, tama po. Tapos na ang aming BBS po. At ngayon nangyari na nga po yung graduation po namin. At naging masaya naman po. At naging worth it po yung aming pagod.
Yung pagod talaga.
Actually, hindi naman kami napagod. Physically, oo, napagod kami. Pero meron namang joy sa aming heart sa paglilingkod namin sa Panginoon. Yan!
Parang hindi agree.
Parang hindi agree? Hindi agree tayo.
Dito
At
na
di na
tapos ang aming vlog sa Vacation
Bible School.
And thank you for watching.